Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can link a card on Revolut. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right bottom corner to the cards, and when you're going to be here, go right top corner to plus, and then link it here. Already got a card, link it here. And now what you need to do is just like add a card number. So you just add it here and you just press link card, and that's pretty much it. So that's like it. What the card you got, you just add a card number right here that you got from the post, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.